Hi, Mark Franco here. This is just a quick explanation about how the Snap Language YouTube channel is integrated with our website. Let's say you've just finished watching a video. So you go to the descriptions, look for a link called Related Materials. As you can see here for this video, you have a video for this lesson that is a lesson related to the video you've just watched, and it also has some suggestions for other related materials. Let's go to the materials for this lesson. So as you can see, you go to the same lesson you've just watched on YouTube, but now it's on the website. It has additional information usually, more examples, and sometimes it even has some practice at the end. As you can see here for this particular lesson, there is a link back to the video. So another way of finding videos or finding lessons is to go to the Snap Language website. Then you can choose between ESL lessons or enrichment lessons or articles and some other information. So let's say you go to enrichment, then you can choose among all these different interests. Let's go to grammar and style. So here you can see the new series that I just started. Then when you get there, you will see a list of lessons. Some of these lessons may already have a video, some may not have a video yet. So let's look at this one. And as you can see, you have a link to the video and of course more information about the topic. If you found this lesson on the website, you can click the link to the video and boom, now you're on YouTube. You can watch the video, then go back to the website and finish your lesson. Cool, huh? Alright, I hope you've been enjoying Snap Language, the website and the channel. And if you want to get even more out of Snap Language, consider joining the channel. Bye!